really neat, like walking through it and being like, oh yeah, this is where the actors walked through, this is where they shot it.
You might also recognize this as the You've Got Mail Bridge. A lot of people call it, it's kind of one of its nicknames. Has anyone seen Home Alone 2, perhaps? So you might recall Kevin McAllister befriends the Pigeon Lady. She actually stations herself right there. I will mention Limitless with Bradley Cooper. That does take place here on Woolman Rink as well. If you guys have recognized this from the Sex and the City TV series as well. Has anyone seen the new movie Trainwreck with Amy Schumer? Okay, so you're standing on a spot that they actually filmed in that.
This is one of the tours that's actually worth taking.
I think every single tourist that comes to New York should participate in an on-location tour. It's specifically a Central Park tour because you get to see the sights, you get to be a part of nature, you get to see how New Yorkers relax.
I enjoyed it a lot. I think it was very informational. It was really neat getting to see a lot of the park.
I would definitely recommend it to my friends.